Check out our newest update. The Affiliate Manager now has the ability to calculate commissions on setup fees and some extras. The new feature in the affiliate management system allows businesses to include setup fees as a part of commission calculations. This is going to help provide incentives for affiliates to promote not only that setup, but also upsales so that they can generate more revenue. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is an advanced commission feature that we're really excited to release. Setup fees are now able to be calculated and factored into commission calculations. This is also an update that is going to incentivize pushing forward with all of those upsells. Affiliates are now motivated to encourage their customers to opt in for upsells and have those setup fees included. This is also going to create flexible configuration options. Your business now has the flexibility to enable or disable setup fees as a part of the commission calculations. You're going to have more flexibility, which is always our goal within our affiliate management system and the updates that we're creating. Now, a small business offering subscriptions with setup fees can now incentivize affiliates to promote premium packages by including those setup fees in commission calculations. This is also going to encourage upsells and boosting revenue. First, we need to create a new campaign. So go under marketing, then under campaigns, and you're either going to edit a campaign, which is going to be done under the 3-dot kebab, or you can go ahead and add a new campaign. Now we're going to go ahead and include those setup fees on commissions. So that's going to be under settings, additional settings, and this is where you're going to go ahead and toggle on that setup fee to be included. Now go ahead and access the Affiliate Manager settings. Again, you're going to be under Affiliate Manager, and then you're going to be under the default campaign settings, and you're going to toggle on the setup fee within that commission. Let's go ahead and view the added setup fees. Now let's go ahead and access the affiliate specifically. Go into Affiliate Manager, then go into Affiliate and choose the affiliate you want to edit. Now you can go ahead and access their commissions. Go ahead and scroll down and find commissions. The inclusion of setup fees in affiliate commission calculations enhances the CRM's affiliate management capabilities, incentivizing affiliates to promote that setup fee or that more advanced option as an upsell and drive revenue growth. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.